Hey guys, welcome back. I don't have the time today to set up the green screen because I am super busy these days because nothing is happening in the markets on the charts. So I'm keeping myself busy doing other things, and I think you should do that too. Note that I have never said this when we were consolidating here. I haven't said this when we were here falling. No, I'm saying it now, and the reason I'm saying this now, the reason I'm saying this is not the time to be staring at the charts every day is because I have been anticipating this for years now, guys. Even before we had the blow-off period here, I have been anticipating the market cycle, and I have been saying when we actually complete the market cycle and when we are at bottom consolidation, that is the most boring and depressing part of the market cycle. And that's not the time to be staring at the charts. That's the time to be averaging in and, coming back 6 months later. Why didn't I say it here? Well, here it was pretty obvious. I was saying that it would probably break down vertical and the volatility would come back to the markets at some point, and we had it here. Now, the reason I'm saying in this part that it's not worth monitoring the charts all the time is because I believe we're gonna be stuck here way longer than we were stuck here. So I believe the coming months are gonna be very boring and very depressing, but I think there's a good chance, of course not guaranteed, but I think there's a good chance this could be bottom consolidation for crypto in general. Bitcoin doesn't look as good as other coins that have already bounced 200% and are outside of resistance, but still I think we're gonna be stuck here for a very long time. So let's see what happened here since my last video. Not much, guys. You guys know I draw this red path here, how long now? More than 2 months ago, where this drawing starts. Actually, it was somewhere here. When I draw this, so far, Bitcoin is respecting my levels of support and resistance. Support at 3.4, resistance at 4.2 or 4.3. You see how I draw this going down a little bit and then trying again in this resistance level. Nothing has changed, guys. We had a little bit of a breakdown here, but in my previous video, the one before this one, I remember specifically I said it was one of these candles here when I made the video, and I said I expect the price to continue to do nothing and at some point breakdown, and the obvious support is 3,600, and then from there bounce back up. So we haven't even touched the 3,600 level, so everything that I am saying here in this video is absolutely irrelevant because I have said it already in my previous video. So let's move on to Ethereum. All right, and for Ethereum I have this triangle here which I have drawn a long time ago as well. We were somewhere here when I draw this triangle. For the record, I shared this on my Telegram groups here. You see the same text and the triangle. The price was only here, and I have been updating on this chart ever since on my groups, but of course not on YouTube because it's not enough information to have to make a full video about it. But it's been a while now since I updated the last time on YouTube for Ethereum, so I'm doing this quick update, and yeah, this triangle so far it's playing out great, so nothing changes here really. We have been waiting for this to retrace and buy the support line of this triangle. Of course, if you're doing the short-term trading, then a stop loss below the support line is mandatory, but by probability I think this line will hold and push the price back up. It's not only the support line of this channel, which has 2 touches here already, it is also probably gonna be at around the same level with the 61.8, which is the strongest of the Fibonacci lines. So I would be buying the support here and then waiting and expecting this triangle to break in the upside. This is the target at 250 more or less, but of course this is premature. This target means absolutely nothing right now. I only put the target here to monitor, but this target means nothing until the triangle actually completes and breaks out, ideally with volume confirmation. If not, the other thing that could happen as well is we bounce here at support and we just go outside, outside this diagonal resistance line, but without an actual breakout, and we continue to go sideways and consolidate here forever if we are indeed at bottom consolidation. That's all that I have for you today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. I'm not sure when, because as I said, I'm super busy these days. I'm onto something. And I also have to take care of my premium groups daily as well, which is something I cannot, forget about, because people are actually paying for that. So YouTube becomes a little bit my second thing now, or my third thing. But of course, I'm not going away. If anything changes, I will be updating. But if nothing changes and you guys want to know something about your specific coin, please go to my channel, search on the search box for your specific coin, and watch my latest videos on those coins, because my analysis is always relevant for weeks or even months, especially in this part of the market cycle when things move so slowly. So I have absolutely nothing to update in any of the coins that I did before. Just search there on my channel. And another little piece of advice, guys, please copy my lines when you are watching my video for whatever coin you're interested. Please copy the lines that I have in my chart, copy them on your own chart, because then it would be super easy for you to monitor, and you will know exactly what's most likely to happen next, according to my readings. Of course, it's not guaranteed, but according to my own readings, you will know what to expect in the future, so you don't have to be waiting for me to update. I recommend to do that, especially, yeah, guys, I just said it 1,000 times, I expect boring weeks and months ahead. That's all for today. Thanks again. I'll see you soon. Bye.